The lungs are a pair of vital organs in the human respiratory system, responsible for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the body and the external environment. They play a crucial role in the process of respiration, providing the body with the oxygen it needs for cellular function, while expelling carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism. Here are some key aspects of the lungs. 1. Anatomy and location. The human lungs are situated within the thoracic cavity on either side of the heart. They are protected by the rib cage and are divided into two main sections, the right lung and the left lung. The right lung is divided into 3 lobes, while the left lung has 2 lobes. This division allows space for the heart in the center of the chest. 2. Function. The primary function of the lungs is to facilitate the exchange of gases. When you breathe in, inhale, air enters the respiratory system through the nose or mouth, travels down the trachea, and enters the bronchial tube. These bronchial tubes branch out into smaller and smaller airways called bronchioles, eventually leading to microscopic air sacs called alveoli. It is within the alveoli that the exchange of gases takes place. Oxygen from the inhaled air crosses the thin walls of the alveoli and enters the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide, a waste product generated by the body's metabolic processes, diffuses out of the bloodstream into the alveoli to be exhaled. 3. Respiration. The process of respiration can be divided into 2 phases, inhalation and exhalation. During inhalation, the diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle beneath the lungs, contracts and flattens, causing the chest cavity to expand. This expansion reduces the air pressure in the lungs, allowing air to rush in. Exhalation is the reverse process, where the diaphragm relaxes and the chest cavity becomes smaller, forcing air out of the lungs. 4. Respiratory system regulation. The respiratory rate, how fast we breathe, and depth, how deeply we breathe, are regulated by the brainstem, specifically the medulla oblongata. The brain continuously monitors the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the bloodstream and adjusts the rate and depth of breathing accordingly to maintain a balance. 5. Protection and defense. The lungs are lined with mucus-producing cells and have tiny hair-like structures called cilia, which help trap and move foreign particles and pathogens out of the respiratory system. Coughing and sneezing are also protective mechanisms to clear the airways. 6. Diseases and disorders. The lungs can be affected by various diseases and conditions, including asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, pneumonia, lung cancer, and more. Smoking, pollution, and exposure to certain toxins can significantly increase the risk of lung diseases. 7. Health maintenance. To keep your lungs healthy, it's important to avoid smoking, limit exposure to air pollutants, exercise regularly to improve lung function, and maintain a balanced diet. Getting vaccinated against respiratory infections like influenza and pneumonia is also recommended. The lungs are essential for sustaining life, and their proper function is crucial for delivering oxygen to the body's tissues and removing waste gases. Understanding how the lungs work and taking steps to maintain their health is essential for overall well-being.